This combo offers exceptional versatility with three distinct connection options: Bluetooth, a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, and a wired USB-C cable, allowing you to connect to up to 5 devices simultaneously. The keyboard features delightful retro-style round keycaps and satisfyingly clicky mechanical blue switches, providing both a nostalgic aesthetic and a tactile, responsive typing experience. A sturdy aluminum alloy panel gives the keyboard a premium feel, which is beautifully complemented by a bright white backlight offering 19 different lighting effects. Full 104-key anti-ghosting technology ensures every keystroke is registered accurately, making it ideal for both fast-paced gaming and efficient office work. The included wireless mouse perfectly matches the keyboard's aesthetic and offers adjustable sensitivity with 3 different levels for precise cursor control. Its broad compatibility ensures seamless operation across a wide range of devices and operating systems, including personal computers, Macs, tablets, and laptops.